Well, good morning. Beautiful morning here in Colorado on the Rimrocker Trail. Just enjoying ourselves. First up, but camp's starting to move around. Pretty comfortable night. Pretty enjoyable evening. Not too cold, which was good. No wind. But looking forward to day 2. By tonight we should be in Moab. But we're promised some pretty spectacular scenery and just an enjoyable trip today. This morning we started our plans for how the mapping crew is going to continue mapping the Rimrocker Trail for trails off-road, and they're really paying a lot of attention to this trail so that those of you that use it in the future, if you'll go to trailsoffroad.com, that you've got the resources you need to have a safe and a successful trip. Their motto is know before you go. So we've been out on the trail for a little while this morning. Just loving this trail, man. We're going through a canyon, several water crossings. It's been a lot of fun. This FOP adventure day 2 is getting off to a great start. An old abandoned house here, kind of cool, along the trail here. You know, it's easy to imagine a miner back in the day living in this little house, top of a hill. with a pretty amazing view, and I'll show you the view. A pretty dang good view out there. What a great place to hang out. Alright, we've had a good day on the trail. We've been on the trail for a little while. Stopping for a little lunch. What a beautiful place. We've got, we're right on the edge of a big old cliff. And we're going to stop here for lunch. Busy day mapping, busy day jeeping. It's a good fop day. Well, good morning. Good morning. We're at the end of the Rimrocker Trail. We have successfully completed the 160 miles in 2 days. You'll notice that it's a little different today. This is actually the third morning. We got to kind of the end of the trail. It was pretty dark out. The folks from trailsoffroad.com couldn't really continue mapping, so we did head into Moab and got ourselves something to eat and got a good night's sleep, but we're headed back out on kind of where we left off to kind of remap, or at least map the end of the trail. But you know, I have to tell you, the Rimrocker Trail is 160 miles, goes through a wide variety of terrain, a wide variety of road types, not too technical, but definitely a beautiful trail. We had some of the most beautiful views, and you know, we were as high as almost 10,000 feet where we had snow, but also as low as about 5,000 feet. We camped at about 5,500 feet, and it was warm and enjoyable around the fire. So I would highly recommend taking the Rimrocker Trail.